The garden of 12 earthly branches. See? There's one goat. Oh, there's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse in the house.
Ở đây có tận 3 lối đi. Ta đi đi đường nào? Thôi mình cứ đi đường này đi. Hoặc mình đi né chặn đường này. Thế vẫn còn một hướng khác nè.
And there's another one, the tamarau. There, tamarau. Tamarau. We have the goat. And Mickey Mouse. Excuse me, you want to join?
No, no,
No, I will take picture. It's okay.
Pangit naman kasi ng view. Hindi mo kasi maganda.
Oh, kay Mickey Mouse. Gusto mo, Ponso? Oh, kay Mickey Mouse. Go with Mickey Mouse. Ano kayang ano to? Medicinal plant. And Felix the cat. Felix the cat.
Your turn, your turn.
Your turn. No, no, go, go.
Tilapia.
And there, Felix the cat. And Cobra.
So sad. I miss you all, guys. Tell them.
And here we have the rooster. Rooster. Oh, this one. And we have the pig. There, pig. Pig. And rooster. Rooster.
Dragon, no? Ah, kaya pala ito tinawag na Dragon Mountain, ha?
And then, dragon there.
Yeah.
Up there. We're going up? Yeah.
Oh, challenge, ha?
Yeah.
I love
Up
it.
there is a higher place.
You know Yinto? Yinto, oh.
Yes,
Yeah.
this one,
Ah, we
the
climbed
dragon.
Yinto.
Oh, you're going to Yinto. Oh.
5 hours.
Wow.
Kuya Vincent, kaisa naman. Dito po ako.
Ay, babalik doon. Para sa pansipan. Mga 10.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayan po.
Thank you. Naka-live ka ba? Baka nakikita ko dyan sa
Hindi.
live mo.
Ay, dito ka. Dali, para makita rin ako sa video. Wala pa hawak. Dito, taas mo yan. Taas. Yan. Para makita ako sa video. Thank you for watching The Dragon here in Sapa, Vietnam. And we have, what do we have? Next one. There. Horse. Horse. It's like a Trojan horse. There. And there's another one there, monkey. Can you see on top? There. There's the monkey on top. Oh, there's the monkey. See? Oh, there's the monkey. Where are you? There on top? And the horse.
Gì, chai nước của con đâu?
Souvenir shop.
Oh, buy one, buy.
Moon dress.
Buy one.
Hello!
Yes.
And we're here again. Up, up, up. Oh. Cooking food. Hello. Manga. Oh. Now we're going up here. There. Can you see there? See the beautiful flowers here. Sunflower. This one. Tara, Fonso. Kita nyo ha, may mga mist. Ayan o, may mga mist yung ating it's called mist from the pine tree. The pine tree, it's like filters the air when there's a fog. The pine tree filters the air if there's a fog, and then the fog will accumulate on the ferns and leaves of the pine tree. That's why there's mist. Ayan o, mist. See? Oh, wet. See the mist? Let's go. Okay, we're now here. See, many visitors, many tourists. Ayan, nakatour din yung mga yan, nakasombrero. Ayan, Sapa. Sapa. Oh, ang laki ng puno nito. May mga ano yan, century old trees. This is called there, Flower Garden Center here. Kaya ako, if you would see around, flowers. Who is that? See? Oh, Frank, are you okay, Frank?
Shoulder.
Do you see two boy?
Who two boy?
Oh, there. We here.
Oh, you go there.
Đang ở chỗ vườn hoa ấy. Khá là lò. Bộ này dẫn chơi thể thao nặng đó nghe.
Ayan, no? Baka mo, dali. Talikod ka. Talikod ka. Oh, baka mo. Atras ka. Atras ka. Sige, atras. Atras. Matuto ka atras. Sige, habang naglalakad ako. Go. Yan, flat naman, di ka madudulas.
포인트 사진 말해주세요.
Thank you. Yun, nagpa-picture si Kabayan, no? Sama ang kanya mga friends.
Mani, kami pa yung 20 dyan.
20?
Oh, wait. We will get.
Ponso, baka mo to.
Sequence.
50 pa talaga?
Oh. Dami si. Muchot. Oh, okay. Hati na kayo dyan, ha?
Pag nagpa-picture ka, ikaw pa magbabayad. Ganon.
Hindi, maganda naman yung memories.
No. Lapit na tayo.
Pansipan kayo na sabihin. Mamaya pang...
Puro pansipan ang gusto nito eh.
Anak, hindi nga ito nakakapagod kasi hindi siya puro hagdan.
So along the way, we have souvenir shop.
Are you done? Yes. Went down, right? Maybe 5 minutes ago. Went down already. I think 5 minutes ago.
Mua hàng ở đây, mua rồi.
No, he went down. I saw him. We saw him.
Tired.
Okay, maybe. Okay.
Ponso,